If you have several warehouses configured, and one warehouse has excess stock while another warehouse needs products, you do not have to place an order with the supplier. You can transfer the excess products between warehouses. To do this, select the product you need and click the transfer button at the bottom of the table. Next, you will see the transfer order form. The main fields you need to select are the warehouse you want to transfer from, then the warehouse you want to transfer the product to, and then the product itself. Next, you will see the current quantity in the from warehouse, the current quantity in the to warehouse, and an input field where you should enter the quantity you want to transfer. After you enter the value, the from quantity and the to quantity will be recalculated, and you will see the actual quantities after the transfer. After saving, you will see that the products table has been updated and now shows the new on-hand quantities. You can view the transfer order you created in the transfers section. Here you will see the familiar table. You can also view the order details for more information and save it as a PDF, for example, if you need to print it and give it to a warehouse employee. You can also edit a transfer by selecting it and clicking Edit. You can add any number of rows within a single transfer order.